Hey guys, I'm just standing in the kitchen making some food. So I was supposed to do a vlog today, and this is it. And what better way to make a vlog when you're cooking? Yeah, cooking. Or not, I'm just making macaronis. Macaroni. So yeah, my name is Anna. My YouTube name is 3zaldo, which I'm gonna put in the title. And this is my first vlog ever. Never done one in Swedish either. Yeah, alright, I'm from Sweden, so you know. And I'm 17. I'm going to gymnasium, which is like high school, but not. I can't explain it so good. Oh my god, it's getting all. Sorry, I'm cooking in the. I don't know what it's called, but you know, when the water obtains, so I can't have it there. I'm gonna have it there. Right now I can stand like this. Huh? Okay. But anyways, that was my introduction. So this is how I look, and I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna put some. Yeah, right. I'm a model too. Well, no, not really. I model sometimes, and I'm gonna put some pictures like here or at the end of the video. And this question: which celebrity do I look like? Okay, thank you. That's all, I think. Hope it's gonna be good. Bye.